Access control modules come in a high-impact plastic housing that you can mount directly to a wall, backboard, or other flat surface. To mount, remove the PCB by loosening the clips and gently lifting it out of the housing base. Insert the included hardware in the desired mounting hole locations and tighten. Then, reinstall the PCB into the housing. These 3 relay terminals allow you to connect the door lock. It can be wired differently based on the door lock being normally closed or normally open. Keypad in receives and transmits data to the panel. This will be wired to either the keypad bus or the AX bus. You can also use keypad out to connect a keypad or another device to the module. Install the 333 suppressor to suppress any surges caused by magnetic locks or door strikes. Wire across the common and normally open or closed terminals. Make sure to connect the suppressor to the same relays as the door lock or door strike. Use these terminals to wire any zones. There are 4 zones and each zone has a recommended device. Connect a card reader to terminals 1, 2, 3, and 4. Terminal 1 provides direct current 12 or 24 volt power to the reader. Terminal 4 acts as a ground to this current. For a Wiegand reader, Terminal 2 carries data 1 and Terminal 3 carries data 0. For an OSDP card reader, connect the B wire to Terminal 2 and the A wire to Terminal 3. Terminals 5, 6, and 7 provide connections for remote LED control, remote annunciation, and arm status indicators. To set the address of the module, move the dip switches on the PCB to match the correct address. When a switch is on, these numbers are added to the device total. The switch's values are 1, 2, 4, and 8. To achieve a device address of 13, enable the 1, the 4, and the 8 to add up to 13. To achieve address 16, turn off every dip switch. Included is a guide for all 16 device addresses. Before programming, it's important to note the programming header on the access control module. You can use this header to program from the 734. You can also use the programming header on the XR panel. If you use either of these, any future programming needs to be performed at the same programming header. That's how to install an access control module to an XR series panel.